The following video is a 2002 HAAS mini mill. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're going to go ahead and run through all the access real quickly. Start with X. We'll do Y. We'll go ahead and do Z. All right, we'll go ahead and do I. We'll do a quick tool change. Then we'll do another tool change. Now we'll go ahead and run the spindle. That is 1,000 RPM. At 2,000 RPM. This is 4,000 RPM. That is 6,000 RPM for maximum for this machine.
Again, the preceding video was a HAAS CNC vertical machining center. It's a mini mill.